In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Salesforce profile view in just 5 minutes. Let's get right into it and walk through the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Salesforce homepage that's relevant to your location. For many of you, this could be Salesforce Asia. You can simply enter Salesforce Asia in the URL bar and it should take you to the right page. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You're going to hover your mouse over the login area, which is typically displayed prominently. A drop-down menu might appear depending on your current Salesforce version, but you should see that familiar Salesforce icon. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now, you're going to log in using your email address and password. Input your credentials carefully to avoid any typos. If you have multi-factor authentication set up, be prepared with your method of verification. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Salesforce dashboard or homepage. Up next, locate the Quick Settings area. This is also usually towards the top right of your screen. The Quick Settings menu offers a streamlined way to access some of the more advanced features of Salesforce. Click on this and you'll see an option called Open Advanced Setup. This is your gateway to making more detailed changes. Select this option to proceed further. Now that you're in the advanced setup section, you'll notice a search bar or quick find box. This tool is handy for quickly navigating Salesforce's extensive settings. In this bar, type in user management, which will help direct you to the specific settings we need to alter. After typing user management, you should see various options appear below the search bar. Click on user management settings. This area allows you to modify how user profiles and permissions are configured and is pivotal for customizing your Salesforce experience. In the user management settings, you'll look for an option labeled Enhanced Profile List Views. This feature, when enabled, allows you to get a more comprehensive view of user profiles, making it easier to manage and customize user roles and permissions. Toggle this setting to the on position to enable it, and there you have it. You've now successfully changed the Salesforce profile view to use Enhanced Profile List Views. This enhancement should make navigating and managing profiles far more efficient. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for tuning in and I hope this was helpful.